This is a screen recording on how you access the Ask Fleur Success community through the Kajabi community app. Let's go. This is an image of my mobile phone showing you how to set it up. So here I am just going to the App Store. I'm on an iPhone and I'm looking for Kajabi Communities. There's the app there and just clicking on it. I've already got it on my phone, so that's why it hasn't taken very long. And just use your normal Ask Fleur login you normally do to go through to our events. And sometimes it asks for a password and sometimes it asks for the code it sends to your email. On this occasion it's gone to my email, so I'm just now getting that. So it's just taking a second to do that. So we're just verifying so we can log in. So there it is. And this is me logging in on my personal account to show you what it's like as a client. This is not my login as the business owner. So now we're going into the Success community. Just click on Success community. And here I've managed to win a badge, which is fun. Then I've just clicked on Meetups down the bottom, which is where the weekly accountability check-in is. So I just clicked on RSVP, that I'll be turning up. And then on the day when it's live, 7 a.m. Fridays, then you just go in and it'll ask you for access to your camera and microphone as normal. This is just what I'm going through now. And this just might be an easier way to access the check-in calls on your mobile phone at 7 a.m. on a Friday morning. And FAP is just Fleur Allen Personal, so that's just my personal account, just showing we're in.